I know the situation. Taking your car into an authorized service center takes time. However, I cannot stress enough the importance of servicing your car regularly. Why, you ask? Constant maintenance prevents future problems. Well-trained technicians attending to your car. Peace of mind on the road. And lastly, your warranty remains valid. Volkswagen's maintenance schedules are designed to be affordable, and your service intervals are only at every 15,000 kilometers. It starts with a very quick dialogue reception where they will discuss what needs to be done to your vehicle. And this is important because of clarity and transparency. So today, we will be looking at all the details of a regular service. Got it? Okay, let's get to work. Key areas we start with are to check your coolant levels. This prevents your car from overheating. Your engine oil is replaced for it to run smoothly. And we check your battery life. We also check your tire pressures, and you know why that's important. Your brakes are checked, for your safety of course, and the balancing alignment of your wheels, that will ensure your tires are long-lasting. Checking your windscreen and wipers. In times of bad weather, having effective wipers really helps with visibility. We check all internal and external lights, necessary for bad weather and night drives. This includes headlamps, turn signals, reverse lights, tail lights, and warning lights. Just one more thing to do. This is the road test. It's important we take your car for a drive each time you service it. We want to make sure your car runs the way it should. When your car reaches 60,000 kilometers, it will undergo a detailed inspection. This includes replacing the gear oil for a longer lasting gearbox, fuel filter for greater fuel efficiency, and spark plugs for better engine performance. Do not underestimate the power of the 60K service.
Okay, Mr. Ashraff, we have checked the tires, brakes and the coolant level for you.
Okay.
And also we have changed the engine oil.
All right.
Could you please sign here?
It's good to be well informed about your car.
Volkswagen.